What's up, YouTube? It's Timon here. Just playing, it's Justone. So today we got a little change of pace here. Timon's still right here, you know. Can't leave him out like I did last night. Damn. But today, I got a new exhaust for the Z. Well, it's new to me, but it's not brand new technically. But so I got the old Apexy one off. It was a dual exit. And you know, it was a little too quiet for my taste. I didn't really enjoy that. Couldn't really hear it. Couldn't hear the downshifts. No pops or nothing. Nothing fun. But now we got the Megan single exit. Burnt blue tip. Car's dirty. We can ignore that. But
is that a Tome?
Is that a Tome? Alright guys, here's a better look at it. Big ass pipe. Blur that out. I didn't finish yet, as you can see. I had to go buy another nut because the nut didn't fit on the bolt that I had. So we're gonna finish that up soon. Get y'all a cold start, maybe some revs. Also, here's a closer look at the Apexy. This is just the rear end of it.
It's got two mufflers and then this big old one right there.
Yep. And for reference, let's walk over here. This was the pipe that came from the Y pipe on the Apexy. This big bazooka. Right, Raygon?
Damn.
Yeah, for height reference, how tall are you?
Dude, I'm 5'5".
5'5", the pipe's almost 5 feet. Or it is 5 feet.
Damn, no bro, I think he's bigger than me, bro.
Damn, bro. He's got a nice personality, though.
He does.
Timmy's like, what the? Alright, let's get to fully putting this thing on. And then let's show have a cold start.
So I'll show you guys a couple exhaust videos that Justone sent me with the Apexy exhaust. And then whenever he finishes this up, we can get some sound clips on this for before and after.
Alright guys, I got it tightened down. Pretty tight, I think. I hope.
Nah, you got it tightened down pretty good.
Nah, I put some strength into that. She's pretty tight now, doesn't move as much. I think we're good. Now, see how she sounds.
Official cold start. So we're gonna let it warm up and then I'll tell Justone to give it a couple more revs after. All right guys, she's all warmed up. He was complaining this whole time that the Apexy exhaust was too quiet. Now look at him. Ah, he cheesing hard now.
Back it up.
Right. Sit. You need to spit flames next.
When I go catless test pipes.
You hear that? He getting catless test
I'm
pipes.
going catless, maybe a tune, then I'm broke. And then, but I'll spit flames. Alright, peace.
Hey! Peace! Hey!
Para acá, Sorina, my baby, I don't wanna know. 우리의 미래 모래처럼 몰라.